Women are known to play hard to get. They don't always run to a guy and they would prefer to make him work for her attention. You might have met a lady that you really like. You have put work in but nothing's paying off and you start to think to yourself, maybe she's just not that attracted to me. And if you walk away now, then that's it, nothing more will happen. You might find yourself thinking about her a lot and wishing you had put more effort in. Sometimes you just need to know how to attract a woman who is not interested in you yet. It might not always work, perhaps that woman is just not the one for you, but you will notice that it does work sometimes though, which will result in you winning over more women. So today I'm going to tell you how you can attract a woman who is not interested in you yet. Like and subscribe. Confident body language. We often don't understand how important our body language is and how much it tells others around us about ourselves. Our body language is everything and it counts for a lot. If you start acting nervous and you seem very standoffish, you probably are not going to attract a woman over to you. Women prefer men who are confident. And if you look like you can hold a conversation and you are in a positive pose, then a woman is more likely to approach you. So, what does confident body language look like? It means sitting up straight, shoulders back, and your neck extended. You also want to have open body language, which looks like having your arms by your side, your legs uncrossed, and making sure you are smiling. Basically, you want to be looking friendly so that women are not scared off by you. Act enthusiastically. If you act like you don't care or like you are not having a good time, a girl is not likely to be seriously attracted to you. She might think to herself, he does not want to be around me at all. Instead, you want to be enthusiastically around her and act as though you are happy to see her. And if you see her more than once, then you should show her that you are enthusiastic to see her again. And when you act like this, a girl thinks, oh, he is happy to see me and he must like me. This instantly makes you more attractive to her because you are showing an interest in her. Focus on your eye contact. You can tell a lot from simply looking at someone or figuring out how they look at you. If you are trying to impress a woman and attract her when she's not interested, then you need to focus on your eye contact. This might mean catching her eye from across the room so that she knows you are interested in her. It could also mean looking at her directly in the eyes if she's talking to you so that she knows you are listening. Eye contact can either be your friend or your enemy. And if you focus on it though and think about it, you can attract girls that were previously uninterested. Boost your self-confidence. Women find confidence incredibly sexy. And if you are lacking in self-confidence, it is more likely that a woman might not be interested in you. It truthfully might be because she's not spotted you. Maybe you are standing in a corner and chatting to one of your friends. This is not going to attract a girl to you. You want to be laughing with your friends or confidently approaching her and starting a conversation. This is something that attracts her to you. So if you want to boost your self-confidence, then try approaching a few different girls. Chat to them and see how they react. Also, surround yourself with people who bring out the best version of yourself. This can really help with confidence. Play it cool. Earlier on in the video, I talked about acting with enthusiasm. It's important that you look like you are enjoying yourself, but you also need to play it cool. If you come on too strong, she will feel pressured to talk to you and will be turned off straight away. You need to play it cool. Be confident and talk to her, but also step back and let her come up with some of the conversation and let her come to you. Girls love chasing guys, and this gives them that chance to put in some work for you, which in their eyes makes you more valuable. Try to keep busy. Sometimes you might be trying to attract a woman on a night out, but other times it might take quite a while. It could be after a large number of gatherings and maybe even some dates. You have spent a lot of time with her, yet she is still not hooked. This is when it's important to take a step back and let her work a little harder. You need to have your own life that keeps you busy and makes you happy. This means having your own friends, hobbies, interests, and career. These things can keep you busy while you are stepping back and allowing her to work just a little bit harder. Don't chase her. When you chase a girl, you come across a little bit desperate. Let her do the chasing while you play it a lot cooler. Sure, you can ask her out on dates, and girls really love it when guys do this. You want to avoid constantly texting her though, phoning her, or always being the one to organise the dates. She needs to put effort in as well so that you are sure that she is attracted to you like you are to her. Accept her for who she is. She is not attracted to you yet. That is her own personal opinion. It's not up to you to change this thought and opinion. It's up to you to wow her so much that she can't help but be attracted to you. Now, this could take days, weeks, or even months. You need to have a lot of patience. And once she sees that you are accepting her and her opinions, though, she will think of you as someone that she can trust. Listen to her. Whenever she talks to you, listen to what she has to say and take it all in. When you really listen to a girl, she can tell. It makes her feel more connected and comfortable around you, which are those building blocks to attraction. Make her laugh. Laughing releases endorphins, which releases a feel-good drug which is known as dopamine. This is a natural reaction that occurs in the body, and it makes us feel amazing. If it is another person that makes this happen to us, we then associate them with honesty and good feelings. So we want to spend more time with them because we want another shot of dopamine. So why not try making her laugh? Pay her a compliment. Girls love compliments, and it can make them so happy when a guy pays them one. So give her a genuine compliment and then just stand back and watch her reaction. Does she become more flirty? Does she blush? These are all signs of progress. Be yourself. Don't change yourself so that she will like you. Now, further down the line, you will realize that you can't carry on being someone that you're not. Then she might end up breaking up with you because she thought you were someone completely different. Even though you were just trying to win her over, it's not worth it. Instead, be yourself, and if she doesn't like you, that's her loss, and there are plenty of other girls out there. Use open-ended language to start a conversation. When a woman is not yet attracted to you, she might answer questions quickly with little details, saying things like yes or no to answer your questions. It can make a conversation very unenjoyable. Now, a way around this is to use open-ended language in a conversation which forces her to answer the question in more detail. One example of this could be, what is your job? And there you go, we've reached the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video or if I missed something very important from today's list. I hope this video has helped you gain a deep understanding of female psychology. Until the next video, like and subscribe. And if you want your name rolling up on this board like these people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below. Take care, bye-bye.